Niyo Art Gallery Kigali without doubt is one of the best places to be whenever looking out for places to visit in Kigali. It is located in the center of Kigali city Kacyiru, KG 572 number 25, and many travelers have tremendously recommended it as a home of inspirational artwork. The place hosts 17 local talented artists, and amongst them is Niyonsenga Pacifique, who is actually the founder of Niyo Art Gallery Kigali. He emerged from the streets of Kigali as a street kid, but later received friendship and support from a Canadian benefactor Bruno, to attain education and live a better life. Pacifique basically established the Niyo Arts Center to help those children living a life of inadequacy and scarcity on the streets of Kigali, the life he went through as a destitute child in the city, to achieve the basics of life, i.e. to say education, healthcare, shelter, and among others through the media of art, songs, music and dance.
The Niyo Art Gallery is a renowned center of creativity in Rwanda, where young people, kids, children and other vulnerable groups of a people like single mothers who are talented,
gifted, and interested in arts are given a platform where they can showcase their abilities and can learn about dancing, drumming, sewing, painting, making handcraft products, and at the end, they are able to make ends meet for their lives. Niyo Art Gallery Kigali is not only for Rwanda national, it also allows other different artists from different African countries to join in and present what they are capable of doing, and this leaves the Arts Center with almost all the beauty of Africa's arts. Spending an hour or two at the Niyo Arts Gallery while in Kigali gives you a chance to appreciate the beauty and power of arts. The children, kids who are the beneficiaries of the Niyo Arts Gallery normally host drumming, singing and dancing performances, and it's always a fine moment to catch up with them and see what they can do, or even join them for a great show and a clear experience from this place. The Niyo Arts Gallery is always open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. East African time, and it is also highly recommended to those looking out for a place where to relax, refresh and chill in Kigali city, as it hosts a coffee shop, cafe, where one is able to grab a cup of Rwandan coffee with unmatched taste. The art gallery gives you a chance to support the needy kids every time you buy something at the center. This can be in the way of buying crafts, portraits, pieces of jewelry, or even through direct donations to the Niyo Foundation. Visit Rwanda with Guerrilla Holidays and we will definitely extend your visit in Kigali to Niyo Arts Gallery for this lifetime experience. All our Rwanda Guerrilla Tour safaris begin from Kigali, with a short Kigali city tour depending on the space of time you have for the Rwanda safari.